Ultra ProLink UM1106 Juice Up 120 watts 24,000 mAh is a premium laptop charging power bank with inbuilt 10-watt wireless charging pad. It's extremely portable and sleek, yet packed with power. This gadget can not only charge the new generation of Type-C enabled laptops, but also the older ones which use DC inputs. It handles tablets and smartphones simultaneously. Weighing only 500 grams, it's the perfect companion for traveling, outdoor, camping, and long trips. It has inbuilt protection from excessive current, overheating, and overcharging. It comes with all essential accessories in the box. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel and watch more product videos of ours. Thank you very much. The most crowd-funded cable in the world is now ultra-fast, presenting InCharge X, the world's only 100-watt keying cable. Nowadays, we own many portable devices, but they often run out of charge at the wrong time, and we carry a bunch of bulky cables to charge them. That's why the InCharge X was developed, a tiny, universal and ultra-fast keying cable. Why universal? InCharge X can charge Apple, micro USB and USB Type-C charging devices from any USB or USB-C power source. InCharge X supports charging and data transfer. It also supports OTG, so you can use your phone as a power bank. It doesn't stop there. InCharge X is extremely powerful. It allows ultra-fast charging up to 100 watts. Chances are your devices support fast charging. So why waste time with a slower cable? InCharge X has an N52 magnetic system, enabling you to snap it on your keys, backpack or wherever you prefer. You will never find yourself without the right cable again. InCharge X is also available in a 5 feet long version. So one cable will charge your phone, laptop and all your devices. It's the ultimate home, car, office and travel cable. Designed to last forever, InCharge X is made of aluminum alloy with military grade aramid fiber and 200 braided copper wires reinforced with touch and double weaving nylon fiber. For increased durability, InCharge X has a protective cap. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel and watch more product videos of ours. Thank you very much.